Good morning, dear students. Yesterday I have explained you how to find out the squares of the following by using the formula a plus b square. Correct? I hope all of you might have understood that topic. Now today I'll teach you how to find out a minus b square also. Although you have to find the square, what is the meaning of this? It means 41 square. You have to find the square of this. It means 41 means 41 ka square. So it can be written in this way. 41 square is equals to 41 into 41. So it can be solved in this manner also. Just multiply it and simply write the answer. But I have taught you by the formulas also. So let me explain you once again. They were a plus b ka whole square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab, remember, and a minus b ka whole square will be, the formula will be exact same, just a square plus b square, and instead of plus 2ab this will be minus 2ab for a minus b ka whole square. I hope it is clear. Now coming forward to the next, let us solve it with a plus b square. It is given 40. So how can we write 40? We can write 40 plus 1 ka square. Correct? Now a plus b ka square. So a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. Okay? So 4 4s are 16, 2 zeros 1. 4 2s are 8 and 8 into 80 into 1 will be 80. Correct? So this will be 1681. See, I have solved it by this method also. If you want, you can solve it by this method also. Otherwise, by applying the formula, if it is given, then you have to solve in this way. I hope it is clear. Now coming forward to the next, 99. So 99 can be written in two ways. How many ways 99 can be written in? Two ways. What are these ways? First is 100 minus 1, 99, or 90 plus 9. This is the second way. And I feel that this is the most appropriate way. Why? Because I told you the number should be in the multiples of 10, correct? So 100 minus 1 ka whole square, 99 ka square can be written as 100 minus 1 ka square. So this is a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. Clear this step? So this will be 10,000 plus 1 minus 200. Now how to solve this one? First add 10,000 plus 1. This will be 10,001. Now you have to minus 200 from this. I hope it is clear till here. So this will be 108 and 9. 9801. So the answer will be 9801. See here also I have multiplied in the simpler form. 99 into 99, then that answer will also be 9801 and this will be also 9801, correct? Now coming forward to the next is 18 square. See, I have multiplied like this also. 18 into 18 equals to 324. Now let us multiply by using the formula also. This can be written as 20 minus 2 ka square or 10 plus 8 ka square. I am solving it by this method. A square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. I hope it is clear. So 2 2s are 4, 400. 2 2s are 4, correct? Minus 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. This will be 80. Now this will be 404 minus 80. I hope it is clear this step. So 4 minus 0 will be 4 and 40 minus 8 will be 32. And clearly you can see that by applying the formula the answer is same, and by simply multiplying also the answer is same. So students, again I am explaining you, if in your exams it is given you have to find the squares and nothing is given that you have to use the formula and all, so you can just simply multiply it in this manner and you can solve it. And if it is giving apply the formula, then always remember two formulas I have taught you. Please learn these formulas. You can write it somewhere in your notebook so that you remember them and learn them. Then you have to apply this formula and then you have to solve it. I hope it is clear. Now coming to the next is without actual addition, find out the sum of the following. What you have to do, you don't have to add. You have to just find out the sum of the following. Remember students, when I was teaching you the properties of this topic, I taught you that the square number can be expressed as the sum of the consecutive odd numbers. Remember, consecutive odd numbers, those odd numbers which comes one after the other. So clearly you can see there are 4 numbers coming, correct? 4 numbers are coming. So what to do? Don't just add them ki 3 plus 1 4, 4 and 5 9, 9 and 7 16. You can do it in this way also. But suppose if the square comes of bigger number, then what to do? First of all, you have to calculate its square. So I'll explain you one simple method for this. So there are 4 numbers total. So you will write here, if there are 4 numbers in total, so you will write here 4 square. I hope it is clear. So 4 square will be 4 into 4 and 4 into 4 will be 16. Correct? Without actual addition, find the sum of the following. This will be 16. So 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 5 9, 9 and 7 16. Our answer is correct. But don't just simply write it 16. You have to solve it in this manner, whatever I have taught you. Now see, what I taught you, you have to just count the numbers and then you have to calculate this square. So here are 1 2 3 4 5. Correct? So this will be 5 square, means 5 into 5. So the answer will be 25. Let me recheck it. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 5 9, 9 and 7 16 and 16 and 9 25. So our answer is correct. Again I am reminding you, no need to do it simply. Correct? Now 1 plus 3 plus 5. There are 3 numbers, so 3 ka square. So 3 square will be 3 into 3, that will be 9. Students, I hope that whatever I have teach you today, you all might have understood. So it's my request to you all, students, whatever the work I am explaining you every day, plus whatever the work I am giving you for the homework. If anyhow someday I am not giving you the homework, so that means whatever the work I have taught you, that you have to copy in your notebook. So please be regular, be punctual, please complete your work. And if you feel problem, then you are free to ask me. Correct? Hope all of you are fine. Thank you all.